Well, hi, hello, my dear students. Welcome to my video lecture class. Right up to now, I uploaded video lectures on the topic frictional force. So today, I am going to discuss the very important application based upon friction. So please watch the lecture till the end. Definitely, you will get a clear idea about this session. Application number 5. Okay, application number 5. Let us consider a body. Let us consider a body of mass m, which is placed on rough horizontal surface, which is placed on rough horizontal surface. It is moving on rough surface, it is moving certain distance, yes, on rough surface, and comes to rest. Then find acceleration, distance, time. Okay, so acceleration, distance, time, these are all we need to find. First of all, draw the diagram. So this is the block of mass m. So therefore this is weight mg, and here is this is moving with initial velocity u, and here normal force n acting upward direction. This is a frictional force F K, that block is in motion, and it comes to rest. So the distance between these two, distance covered by the block, this is yes. Okay, so the surface is rough surface. So this is a diagram. So that means the block is sliding on rough surface. After some time it comes to rest. So after some time it comes to rest. So from this acceleration, here acceleration first. A is equal to minus mu k into g. Here the block comes to rest means the block is retarded. And acceleration is negative. So that negative acceleration A is equal to minus mu k into g. Next, second one. So second we need to find What is second? S value. According to kinematics, V square minus U square is equal to 2as. V square minus U square is equal to 2as. From this, S, V square minus U square is equal to as. V means 0, already you know. U square 2. A value is minus mu k into G into S. Is it or not? So from this, S is equal to, here minus minus going to be cancelled, U square by 2 mu k into G. Okay. So distance traveled by block. Distance traveled by block before comes to rest. So the total distance traveled by block before comes to rest, that is S. S is equal to U square by 2 mu k into G. Here U is equal to initial velocity. Here U is equal to initial velocity. Okay. U is equal to initial velocity. Mu k is equal to coefficient of kinetic friction. Mu k is equal to coefficient of kinetic friction. So this is about application 5. In this application 5, case 2, answer is S is equal to U square by 2 mu k into G. Next, T value. T is equal to, third one, T how to find. So already you know, according to kinematics, V is equal to U plus AT. Kinematic equation, V is equal to U plus AT. Here V is equal to 0, U plus A into T, then T is equal to minus U by A. So for this one, minus U by A value is minus mu k into Z. Here minus going to be cancelled. Finally you got U by mu k into Z. Time taken. So here what we got finally. So here we got time taken by block. T is equal to time taken by block. T is equal to U by mu k G. And distance traveled by block before comes to rest, S is equal to U square by 2 mu k G. And acceleration. So here definitely block finally comes to rest means acceleration is negative acceleration, that is retardation. That retardation A is equal to minus mu k into G. So this is about application number 5. So next we are move on to 6th application. Right, application number 6. Application number 6. If body of mass m, which is contact with front portion of vehicle, if body of a mass m which is contact with the front portion of vehicle while vehicle is accelerating, while vehicle is accelerating. Okay. While vehicle is accelerating, then find minimum acceleration. So then find the minimum acceleration of vehicle without falling a body. Is it or not? Without falling a body. So here diagram is, observe carefully. So this is a rough surface. Okay. So here is two wheels. Okay. Two wheels. Okay. And here this is a front portion of vehicle. Here block is connected. Body of a mass m. So this block is connected. Okay. So here the block is connected. So definitely, what is it? So this is look like a. Block is contact with vertical surface. This look like a block is contact with vertical surface. So definitely weight mg is acting downward direction. Frictional force Fs is acting in this direction, and so definitely some normal force is acting on this body. That normal force is this is normal force act on this body. This is normal force, and some pseudo force is acting on this body. That is F pseudo. Here pseudo force is always acts opposite to the direction of motion of your body. Then F pseudo is equal to m into a. F pseudo is equal to m into a. So this is about application. What we need to find? Minimum acceleration of vehicle without falling a body. A minimum. From this, observe carefully. So from this, if block is in equilibrium, so definitely n is equal to F pseudo, Fs is equal to mg. N is equal to F pseudo. N is equal to F pseudo means mass into acceleration, that is a minimum acceleration, a minimum. Here Fs means mu s into n is equal to mg. From this, mu s into n means m into a minimum A minimum is equal to mg. So here m going to be cancelled. From this, minimum acceleration is equal to mu s by g. So minimum acceleration is equal to mu s by g. So the amount of minimum acceleration required to move vehicle without falling a front attached block, that is A minimum is equal to mu s by g. So this is application number 6. So I hope you all are understood this application number 5 and application number 6. If you'll get any doubt while watching this lecture, please mention in comment box. Definitely I'll reply your answers. Whatever the questions you asked, I reply your answers. I reply answers for your questions. I'll reply answers for your questions. So now it's time to leave the session. Thank you for watching my lectures. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you so much.